Hi and welcome back to Note by Note. In today's video I will be showing you how to play Amazing Grace. So to play this song you will only need 3 chords: your G, your C, and your D major. To play this song you will also place your capo on the 4th fret to play the song in the key of B. If you would like to learn how to play it in another key, you can check out the video in the description and the video at the end where I explain how these chords could be used to play in all different kinds of keys like C, for example, without using bar chords. The intro for the song is simple. We will start on our G major. To play this, place your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string, index on the 2nd fret of the A string, and your ring and pinky on the 3rd fret of the B and high E. Our next chord will be our C major. To play this, place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and your index on the 1st fret of the B string. And you will strum all the strings except for hitting the low E. Next will be our D major. To play this, place your index on the 2nd fret of the G string, your ring on the 3rd fret of the B, and your middle on the high E string on the 2nd fret. The picking pattern for the song will repeat for each chord, with the only difference being the bass note. So on your G string, you will play your 6th string with your thumb, then you will play your 4th string, your 3rd string, your 2nd string, and then you'll go back up to your 3rd and your 4th. So all together on the G chord will sound like this. Again, that's 6, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Next will be our C chord. This will be the same picking pattern, except instead of hitting your 6th string, you will hit your 5th string. So it will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. All together. Next we will return to our G, as we have already learned, so 6, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. And then we will end the intro on our D major. To play this, you will pick your 4th string, your 3rd string, your 2nd string, and then you will hit your 1st string, and you won't go back up. Altogether, the D will sound like this. So putting all the parts together, the intro will go like this. Now that you've learned the intro, the verse is very similar. So we'll start on our G just as we did with our intro. So to our C, back to our G. Next we will come to our D. So to play this, we will go 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string, 1st string, and then we'll come back up like we did on our G and C chord. So on the 2nd, 3rd. So all together that'll be 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. The first part of our verse will sound like this. Next we will have our G, so to our C, and then back to our D, and we will do the picking pattern twice. Our next line is very similar to our first, so back to our G, to our C, to our G, to our D. Next will be our G chord again. And then here will be our difference. On our C, we won't come back up on the picking pattern. So we will only do our 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and we just let that ring out for the rest of the bar. So all together, it'll sound like this. Again. To our G. And then here's our change in our C. After this, we will return to our G for a little instrumental break. So we'll go G, C. This is just like our intro. After ending on D, like we did for the intro, we will return to the next line, which will be the same as we already learned. So all together, that'll go. Again, G, C, G, D, G, and our C, hold it, and then our G. And then to end the song, we will go to our D. So what I did there is, to end, I just went 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string. I paused, and then you just strum your G. So again, to end the song, you just go G, C, G, and then here's our change. So that's how you play Amazing Grace. It's super simple and it continually repeats through the whole song. To help you understand how this song is put together, we'll have a playthrough at the end to show you. I hope you enjoyed learning how to play this song, and like always, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Keep playing, and I'll see you in the next video, note by note.